Greetings! This is Sarah Kanairi, a technical writer on the documentation team at cPanel, the hosting platform of choice. I'm here to show you some of the basic features of the WHM interface. Before we get started, keep in mind that your interface may appear a bit different from mine. Depending on your account's permissions, some of the features and functions that you see in my interface may not appear in your interface. Now, let's go ahead and log in to WHM. If this is a brand new installation of cPanel in WHM, you're going to need to accept our end user license agreement first, and we'll suggest that you set your contact address and name server. Click Finish to continue to WHM. If you're logging in as the root user and this is your first login since a cPanel and WHM version update, you'll see the Feature Showcase here. This lets you know about any especially important changes to cPanel and WHM, and if there are associated settings for them, we'll let you configure that here too. Just click Save Settings to save everything. And here we are, finally, in the WHM Home interface. The Important Next Steps section at the top of the main area includes the icons to set up your contact address and your name server. When you're done with that section of the interface, you can click Dismiss to hide it. Below the Important Next Steps, you've got quick access to WHM's features. This default view has a selection of WHM's most commonly used and useful features. If you want to see the legacy version of the WHM Home interface, with all of the icons for all of WHM's interface sections, click Classic up here. You can switch back by clicking Default. Click the Lifesaver here to view a support menu. This will give you options to access our knowledge base, our forums, or our main set of documentation, or you can open a ticket with cPanel technical support. Up here, the top navigation bar is visible no matter where you are in WHM. It gives you access to a few different items. Click News to view important news and announcements from cPanel. Click Changelog to view our change logs and find out about important changes and bug fixes in cPanel and WHM. Click Log Out, of course, to log out of your account. Click the cPanel and WHM version number up here to navigate to the Upgrade to Latest Version interface. Staying up to date with our latest version means you get quicker access to all of our latest features. Click Load Averages to navigate to the Process Manager interface. The numbers after the link are your server's 1-minute, 5-minute, and 15-minute load averages for easy reference. You might also see some important server notices here, like notifications if we can't upgrade your server due to upgrade blockers. On the left side of the interface, you've got a full list of every available WHM feature, organized into sections. Click the icon here to expand and collapse the side menu. Click these icons to expand or collapse the individual sections. The list of features is pretty long, so it might be easier to find things if the extra sections are collapsed. If you'd rather, you can search for the feature you're looking for over here too. This video only presented the basics of navigating in the WHM interface. If you want to learn more, try our other tutorial videos. For more information about cPanel, go to cPanel.com or follow @cPanel on Twitter. Thanks for watching and happy automating!